Grand Rising traders. It is 8:43 in the AM, Wednesday, 5/29. So, what do we have going on here? Well, everything is pretty much going as expected. For some of you, the red bar up here is going to be new, and the blue line. For those of you who are on Publish OX, you already saw this in my post yesterday. So, things are happening pretty much as expected. Let me get rid of this blue line real quick. Price hit the resistance here, came back down, got caught as I expected by this first old consolidation line here, and the newer consolidation line here is also acting as support right now, as witnessed by this wick over here where it got near it and got pushed back pretty hard. That being said, we're currently got a red candle headed back down here to test the old consolidation, which happens to be laying at $67,591.46. It's actually broken through that right now, and we're seeing that the next consolidation line, that area, is causing a little pushback already. Don't believe that it will break through this, and even if it does, we have the 50% Fibonacci retracement here that will definitely catch it if it breaks through. Looking down here at the Impulse MACD, things are looking kind of bleak. So I'll put up the other MACD here that has my settings on it. Did it cross over? No, it didn't look like it crossed over with my settings. I didn't think it would. Yeah, what it did was it bounced off. It hasn't crossed over. When it does cross over, it'll cross over to the bullish side, which is what we're looking for, which was what most of us want. That said, what's going to happen from here is I see some more sideways motion with this old consolidation line acting mostly as support. However, as I'm saying that, the red candle of this hour is trying to push a little further downward and is meeting our next support level area and getting pushed back. So, like I was saying, I'm expecting more sideways movement. And as I stated yesterday, if we can't pass this resistance area right here, we're looking to drop actually through this next level of support and come back down and test the 65K trigger point. So we're still in that boat. We haven't gotten out of that boat. We won't get out of that boat until we can pass this resistance level right here. If we can't pass that, all I can see right now is some sideways and downtrend motion. Don't see much other than that without passing this barrier. This is a huge barrier for us right now. That said, should we fall through the 50% retracement level, right above the 65K trigger point is the 61.8 retracement level, which will act in accordance with the 65K as support. As long as we're above it, it will be support. If we drop below it, it will automatically become resistance, and we may get trapped down there for a while. However, that is not what is predominantly in front of me right now. So I will reiterate, more sideways motion right along this consolidation line, maybe even a little channel trading between these two smaller, small area here between the old and the newer consolidation lines. If that's the case, if we drop into this little channel right here and we break above it, we'll come back up here and we'll retest the resistance area. If we don't do that, we'll continue sideways along this consolidation line until we find a breakout. As long as we're under the resistance area, that breakout will be bearish. That's going to be it for today, guys. I will see you tomorrow. You guys have a blessed day. This is the Dark Sage signing out. Peace.